Meaning of dried.
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 Dried. The word dried refers to the process of removing moisture or liquid from a substance, causing it to become dehydrated and brittle. The result is a texture that is often crispy, shriveled, or wrinkled. Drying can be achieved through various methods such as exposure to air, heat, or a combination of both. This process is commonly used in the food industry to preserve foods such as fruits, vegetables, and meats, and also in the production of other products like paper, textiles, and ceramics. Overall, drying is an effective way to extend the shelf life of certain materials.